Hi, what's up? So this will be the DevLog version of the yesterday's dev stream. I just wanted to talk about what's yesterday I've been doing, what's yesterday I've been achieved. Basically, I did not achieve much. Yesterday, it's more about planning. So you can see right here is the kind of the whole video, which is how I do the planning using Obsidian, using Resilosync, and using. So let me show you a little bit. So this is a video basically. So what I do is I use Obsidian. I've been setting up in two PC. One I first started in my main PC, which is my gaming, my working, and streaming PC. Now it's only streaming PC, and I sync it using Resilio Sync. So I'm syncing an H drive. I should be launching the H drive here, like that. And the Obsidian, let me restart the Obsidian. If I restart Obsidian, it's automatically loads in, or yeah, it's automatically loads in what I've been doing in my other PC. It's all automatically loads in all of the plugins. So I use mainly three plugins, which is Canvas Mind Map NetScan, and Task Progress Bar. And this is the list. So this one. So first one, I did try to use mind map, but I ended up using mind map NetScan. I don't know why, I forgot what feature it have, but I did find some roadblocks here that I don't find it here, so it's better to use the next gen version. No offense to the original mind map. And this is basically the Obsidian setup that I use, like this, and I can easily Control P and type mind map, and then just the unpin. It will automatically generates the mind map, and these check bars and this progress bar are from the task progress bar plugin. And the ChatGPT side of things, basically like this. If I haven't, maybe I open up Notepad++ and Notepad+, and I'll open up the original file. Original file is in H drive, Orbit Search, Tools, Organizer, Fault, Orbital Search, and this is OS Phase 0, and we can easily open it in Notepad. If I put an just see it, yeah. If I put an X here and then I hit save, it automatically updates the what is it called, the Obsidian. If I uncheck it, basically if I choose to just need to reload the thing, I need to download Notepad++ in this PC, but I haven't. Basically, Obsidian is very versatile and flexible, because all of this is basically just a text file, editable text file. And since it's sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. So like this, I will delete all of this. I just want to show you how I do stuff with ChatGPT. So here, basically I'm using ChatGPT as the conceptor of the project. So first I just told I want to make a game called Orbital Search. Basically it's Star Citizen clone, but everything should be faster. But the closest target is 5v5 small deathmatch or conquest based game. So basically I tell everything that I want to make into ChatGPT, and then the ChatGPT gives me feedbacks, and then I ask, can you write a detailed plans to make this? I'm using Unreal Engine, and I'm using 3% template, so I guess we can start from simple shooting mechanics. can use tables and to-do list. This is when I haven't used Obsidian, and then ChatGPT generates a table like this, like phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 to-do list. So it's a simple thing from the basic to person using templates, and then the most even ChatGPT tells me to perform an extensive QA testing. And then yeah, and if ChatGPT generates a high level task, I can always ask, please generate more action based task list. And then I've been back and forth with ChatGPT, basically just like talking to a guy, consult how I make the game. And then I asked the first mechanic here, the phase 0 interaction mechanics, and then ChatGPT generates bullet points like this. Bullet points. This is when I found out that the what is it called? The mind map plugin automatically generate mind map through what is called bullet points like this, not like this. Let me test things. For example, yeah, just want to show you guys how like this test things, and if it sub indentation, it automatically create a branch out of it like this. See, it was very revolutionary for me, and then the bullet points that ChatGPT generates is a blessing basically. So I'm just going to copy all of this, Control C, and then generate it, and then paste it in the Obsidian, and maybe I'll tell it this is a heading, and it basically creates the whole mind map for me. And there's a shortcut that I found. It's very robust, we can say robust. Permission to just tidy this up a little bit, which is please wait, I'm just tidying up so it's readable. Yeah, after pasting that from ChatGPT, I just select all of it and then hit Control L, and then everything becomes what is it called, checkbox. Everything becomes a checkbox. Yeah, it will help me a lot through the development. And on the resilience kind of thing, let me just let me just save this so it reverts back to the original, and let me show you guys how I sync it. So I'm using a program called ResilioSync. ResilioSync is originally a BitTorrent sync, so it's a peer-to-peer syncing platform. See, it's syncing. And how I set it up, basically I just install this and then hit plus sign, and it's a no-brainer to set up basically. And let me show you how I do it. So let me show you. Okay. So on the left side of thing is my original PC, my streaming PC, and then on the right hand side is it's my laptop where I do the actual work. And if everything's synced up properly, I'm basically setting it up the exact same way. So I set it up. There's an H drive, there's Orbit search folder, and I set up the exact same thing in the original PC, and same drive, same path, everything. So for example, yeah, if I put an S into this setup, we will see it changes. So see it, I have added an S, and Resilio will sync it, and now we have the changes on my PC, on my original PC, my streaming PC. If I delete the sorry, I hit the wrong button, so I delete the S on the setup, it will update here. Just a minute. See, it's updated. So Resilio doesn't do, I think per minute Resilio will check whether any of it updates, whether any of it changes. It's not as safe as GitHub or SVN where like we can do a branch file where, oh, I have this version, and then it crash, and then we can choose which one is correct and all that. We don't have that, but Resilio is just basically sync everything in the same drive, in the same location, the same file, but Resilio just check who is the latest file, and Resilio sync will take that, and basically it. And then yesterday I just the most time taking task that I done is updating the Unreal to 5.4.4. Let me open Epic Games Launcher. Yeah, basically 0.4.4 update to 5.4.4, and then I did create the C 5.4.4, and then this is the Orbit search, and yeah, basically just creating a third-person template and then using the third-person template. Nothing new, nothing wrong. I basically did turn off all of the fancy that I don't needed features like night, virtual shadow maps, lumen with. I basically turn off lumen for now, and then yeah, basically a lot of things. Sorry, I forgot something. Okay, yeah, yeah, that's basically it for yesterday's video, yesterday's stream. That's the entirety of that, and let's go do another stream today. Thank you for watching.